one day complete the 24 hours mining. So I'm recording the screen again on the remote desktop, but you could see it's the 1 day work time, 0 rejection percentage, and we have 13 real-time 0.5 hash, and 10.6 is the average. The temperature on the exhaust, I guess it's right there, but the same as we started. And the fan's running pretty high at 6,000 RPM. So let's take a look at the temperatures here. So what I noticed, it does quite like Ice River monitor tool. It has all the chips temperature, which is kind of cool on the BMKS Max miner, right? So we could see, first of all, the highest temperature here on the chips right away. So we have the highest, lowest, and the average on every board. So my highest is basically 81 here on board 3, number 3 right there. Also, we can go ahead and check the chip status right here, and it will show us pretty much like the whole entire board with all the 180 chips, which is crazy. I mean, I have to zoom in so you could see all these numbers going from U1, U2, U3, all the way to 180 down below here. So if we scroll, so it's 180 chips. You see this, the last chip right here. And what's cool about that, you could select the temperatures on the top. So for example, if you want to see the temperature, the highest temperature chips, let's say above 80 degree, and it will basically point out all chips that's above 80. Did I select 80? Yeah. So everything that's above 80 degree will be in the red. So right now I have few chips above 80. It's on the board 3, obviously. And we have equal 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. So their chips are that 80 degree will show in red. So which is kind of cool. It's easy to find which board have that. And also what's cool, we gotta scroll down again. Sorry, I'm doing that on my phone, so it just kind of makes it all messed up a little bit. So if I go here and I'm looking at the errors, I also can select the minimum errors, everything above 3 errors, right? And we will see some chips with the errors. I'm not sure exactly what errors means, but probably some chips that didn't report correctly something. And then we have this nonsense, which I don't know which that gonna report basically right over here. And then the lastly is the frequency. So the frequency we're running is 460, I guess, for this specific firmware. It's the stock firmware and it's 460, but we can check everything that below 455, and we will see any of the chips in red will be that means they're below 455 or they're not accepting the frequency. So it looks like everything is fine on the frequency with my chips. So hopefully that helps you guys to determine like and run if you have that miner right now. So let's take a look how we do on the hum pool 24 hours, right? So let's update real quick my miner here, and let's see. So we're doing currently 12.2 terahash, 11.3 average 1 hour, and it is 24-hour average. It is 10.7 terahash right there. This is for my miner number 1. Let's scroll it down so you could guys see it right here. And this is number 1, which is BMKS1 miner, right? So if we go back to statistic, we're gonna see this miner just right here listed over. Have to scroll it down all the way. Sorry, it takes a while. And it's kind of hard to scroll on the phone. All right, so if we go to stats here on the right. By the way, the last time I forgot probably to mention, when you first log in and before you change password, so you use IBLink is your login name, and the password just admin, all the lowercase admin, the word, and you'll be able to log in right away. I don't know if that's mentioned on IBLink website. I think they mention slightly different. It says IBLink and then the password IBLink, which is kind of confusing. So anyways, that's pretty much it for the update of this video. I like how you can monitor the chips, and let me know guys if you like it, if you received it, and if you're mining or any issues you're having with this miner. But so far I think we are doing okay. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Leave the comments down below and consider subscribing to my channel. See you on